Hey guys, it's Tad with Crush It, Joe. Hey man, you know, I had several questions about our last trip to Toledo Bend, about when we had engine trouble. People are asking me how did I diagnose my engine without a computer, and how I did it so fast. Well, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what an engine sounds like when a cylinder's down and it's not firing, and how to diagnose it. So what I'm going to do is I unplug the coil right here. I unplug one coil, number two, that way it doesn't fire. I'm going to start it up, and then I'm going to show you what it sounds like with one mode. When I pull one, you're going to see the engine drop, and I'm going to show you when you pull a coil on one that's not firing, what happens. And that's how you tell. And there's another way, but we'll start with this one. Alright, I'm going to pull one that's firing. Stop. You got a coil that's not, or cylinder's not hitting. Plug my coil back in. Plugged in. Now, also that's not always going to tell you about the coil, right? When the coil goes out like it did, it's dead. But sometimes you'll have a coil that's hitting on low RPM, but it won't hit up on high RPM. It'll hit and idling when you stomp on the gas. It ain't firing enough. When it starts adding that extra gas, it just ain't firing enough. There's another way to do it. You have to learn how to read the spark plug. So I learned how to read spark plugs a long time ago when I used to drag race. But what you're gonna do is, all your spark plugs, when they're burning right, they should be a light golden brown on all your plugs. On electrodes, everything should be a golden brown color. If you got one that's not hitting right, that plug's probably gonna be running black. It's gonna be a lot darker than the rest. It's gonna be black. Probably if you pull them out right then and there, it's probably gonna be really wet too. So you can go that route, and when you pull a spark plug out that's really wet and it's black, start with that one, replace that coil, and hope it's a coil issue and it's not something else. You know, but that's a start. That's normally how I do things, you know. You know, if you broke down and you're having this in trouble, hopefully this will help you out in the future. Until then, hey, this is Tad with Crush It Gel. We hope to see y'all on the water. And please subscribe to our channel if you're watching this. Thank you.